I wrote these lines in a park again, a local park just down the road from me. So, sitting in a park again on a bench beneath a tree. Ladies walk their dogs. The pets run up to me to say hello. I greet them. Practice canine talk. They run off. The birds, they raised some clamour just now. Something drew them into bird mind chatter. Now where's that squirrel gone that was mooching around? Ah, there he is, at the base of a tree. And there's another further on, running, jumping, sitting upright, or chasing each other through the branches, relying on their flexing question mark tails for amazing treetop gymnastics. And of course the human sound of cars and jet planes, the usual noise on the soundtrack. We do not despise this day of small things. Each moment is momentous. Each moment is momentous, rising and falling within the emptiness. And am I one with this scene, still tranquil despite the noise? Well, how could I not be? It's just a fact. Not seeking some mystic highs, pleasant though they are. No one took the scissors and cut me from the photo. I'll try not to work it out. I don't have the maths. Yet in the fractal space, this little park contains 1 billion galaxies, and mind may run through the trees like sap. For yes, at last thought may be your friend, no longer boss. We have moved to heart space, our original face being unmeasured and unbound, and may be seen in a kick of this mat of early autumn leaves. Thank you.